Hello student, good morning, welcome back. So today I am going to discuss some MCQ question. Our first question is here, which biologist first gave the name cell? Okay, so there are four options given below and our answer is Robert Hooke. And this is a diagram of cell and there are different type of organelles present inside this cell. Okay, cell membrane, mitochondria, this is the mitochondria, nucleus, this is the nucleus, DNA, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus. So these all are organelles that present inside this cell. What is the powerhouse of a cell? Powerhouse of a cell. Okay, mitochondria. This is the mitochondria, and this is also mitochondria in animal cell. Okay, two type of cells shown here. Okay, first is plant cell and second is animal cell. Okay, and these are mitochondria. Where does protein synthesis occur in the cell? That is a ribosome, factory of protein. Ribosome. Okay. Which of the following is the largest cell organelles in the cell? Largest cell. Okay. That is a, I mean, which organelles? Which is the largest in cell? That is a plastid. The outermost covering of plant cell is called outermost covering. That is a cell wall. Okay. So this is a plant cell. Okay, and cell wall only present in which type of cell? Plant cell, not in animal cell. Okay, only found in plant cell. Which of the following is largest cell organelle in the cell? Largest organelles, that is a plastid. Who discovered endoplasmic lattice? Porter. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum, these are. This who discovered electron microscope? This is an image of electron microscope. Why we use electron microscope? To see virus, to see the structure of virus. Okay. So who discovered electron microscope? Sonal and Raska. In which is the actual nucleus absent? Nucleus absent in bacteria. Here you can say that this is a cell of bacteria and here not well defined nucleus present inside this cell. Okay, so nucleus is absent here. In each cell, this is a well defined nucleus. Okay, and in fungal cell and bacterial cell. Okay, in fungal cell, bacteria is well defined. Okay, here cell nucleus is well defined here, you can see that, but here nucleus is absent, not well defined nucleus present inside this cell of bacteria. So our next question is here, the smallest cell in the following is. Okay, so there are four options given here and our answer is mycoplasma. This is the structure of mycoplasma. Okay, ribosome, these are ribosomes, cytoplasm. Okay, and this is a DNA. Leucoplast is mainly found in root cell. Okay, leucoplast, a colorless organelles found in plant cell, only found in plant cell, used for storage of starch or oil. Okay, and leucoplast plant in only in plant cell, colorless organelle. Okay, used for storage of starch or oil. Our next question is here, provided a variety of attractive color to flowers and seeds. Okay, and its answer is chromoplast. Okay, chloroplast, green plastid, used in photosynthesis, and chromoplast, colored plastids, used to synthesis and store plant pigments. Okay, this is the entire structure of chromoplast. Ribosome present here inside. Okay, DNA also present here. Okay, give green color to the leaves. Okay, that is a chloroplast. Our answer is B, chloroplast. Okay, green plastid used in photosynthesis. This is the entire structure of chloroplast. Okay, ribosome present here. Okay, DNA also present here. These are the DNAs. Due to the presence of which the difference between a plant cell and an animal cell. Okay, difference between plant cell and animal cell. So that is a cell wall. Okay, in plant cell these are the outermost covering is called cell wall. This is a cell wall. But in animal cell wall is absent. Okay, so cell wall only present in plant cell. Which of the following cell possesses DNA? Okay, mitochondria. Here you can see that mitochondria. Okay, it contains DNA. Mitochondria contains DNA other than nucleus. Nucleus also contains DNA. Okay, so this is the entire structure of mitochondria, and it contains, here you can see that is a mitochondria DNA. The cell wall is permeable. Okay, cell wall is a structural layer surrounding some types of cell. Okay, and mostly found in which type of cell? Plant cell. Okay, just outside the cell membrane. It can be tough, flexible, and sometimes rigid. It provides the cell with both structural support and protection, and also act as filtering mechanism. Mitochondria are absent in which of the following? Bacteria. This is an image of bacteria, and you can see that mitochondria are not present inside this bacterial cell. Cell wall present here, DNA present here, plasma membrane present here, ribosome present here. Okay, cytoplasm present here, but mitochondria are absent here. Model of DNA helix presented Watson and Crick. Okay, these are the structure of DNA. These are the structure of DNA. Okay, and this model of DNA helix presented by two scientists, Watson and Crick. Our next question, functional activities of the cell are controlled by. Okay, its answer is nucleus. This is a nucleus. The term chromosome is given by Sutton. Okay, this is a nucleus and chromosome found inside this nucleus. These are the chromosomes. Okay, and this is a structure of chromosome and found DNA inside this chromosome. Okay, is known as suicide bag of the cell. Okay, lysosome. Provide green color to leaves. Okay, chloroplast. Green color, chloroplast. Which planet has the largest number of satellites? Saturn. This is a Saturn. Okay. Which unit is used to measure astronomical distance? Light year. Which planet is called morning star or evening star? Its answer is Venus. Okay. So this is a Venus. Second from Sun, first Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, and eighth Neptune. Our galaxy is known as Milky Way. Okay. Which of the following is not a planet? So here you can see that in this all the options given here, Mercury present here. You can see that this is a Mercury, Saturn, this is a Saturn, Jupiter given here. Okay, so Great Bear is absent. Okay, so this is our answer. The planet farthest from the sun is That is a, here you can see that is a Neptune. Okay, answer B. Okay, eighth. This is the eighth planet from Sun. Okay, first planet Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, and eighth Neptune. Okay, the least dense planet. Okay, so which is a Saturn. Okay, you can see that here. How dense are the planets? Okay, so Saturn 0.69. Okay, so it is a least dense planet, and Earth is a greatest dense planet. Okay, Earth is a number one, and second Mercury, and at last Saturn. Okay, it is difficult to observe Mars because its answer is it is too far away from our planet. No, it is hidden by the glare of the sun. Our answer is C. It is hidden by the glare of the sun. Okay, so this is a Mars. Earlier we had 9 planets. How many planets? Earlier we had 9 planets in our solar system, of which one name has been eliminated as per IAU 2006. In the year of 2006, the planet is which planet eliminated? That is a Pluto. Okay. This is our old solar system and Pluto present here. This is the ninth planet which had been removed in year 2006. Light year is distance traveled by light in 1 year. Our answer is D. Distance traveled by light in 1 year. So the distance of Earth from Sun is, this is Earth and this is the Sun, and distance between Sun and Earth is 150 million kilometer. Okay, so what is a light year? A light year is not a unit of time. It is not a unit of time. It is a unit of distance. Okay, so it is used to measure distance in space. 1 light year is equivalent to the distance that light travel in 1 year. Okay, and the value of a light year in kilometer is, you can see that this is a value. Okay, so light year is not a unit of time. It is a unit of distance. If Saturn is thrown into an ocean, then what happened? It will float. It made up of gas. It made up of gas. Gas planet. The celestial body nearest to the Earth is Moon. This is our Earth. Of which element is ozone made? Oxygen. This is the ozone layer. Okay, O3. O represent here oxygen atom. Oxygen atom. And how many atoms are there? O3. 3 atoms. 3 atoms are there. When 3 atoms combine to form ozone layer. Okay, so the ozone layer is the part of the Earth atmosphere which contains relatively high concentration of ozone gas. Okay, which is an inorganic molecule with the chemical formula O3. Okay, this is the ozone layer. Okay, the path of planet around the sun is called, these are all path, circular orbit. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. Answer is C. This is a rocket of ISRO. Celestial bodies that emit heat and light in 1 year are called stars. These are the image of stars. There are millions of stars present in our galaxy. A planet which appears yellowish. Okay, which planet? So our answer is Venus. Our answer is Venus. Okay. So this is a Venus. Which is a spy satellite? Okay, so where is a spy satellite deployed? Low Earth orbit. Millions of stars together form galaxy. Okay, this is our galaxy. Our galaxy is a Milky Way. Milky Way. Which of the following is not a celestial body? Satellite. Okay, these all are celestial bodies. So this is the orbit. Okay, and low Earth orbit. This green color shows the low Earth orbit. Okay. What kind of a planet is Jupiter? This is a Jupiter. Okay. Fifth from this sun. Fifth planet from this sun. Saturn is sixth. Uranus is 7 and Neptune is 8. Okay. This is the sixth planet. Sorry, this is the fifth planet and sixth planet is Saturn. What kind of planet is Jupiter? Gas planet. Our answer is B. The brightest object in clear night sky is moon. To make a kaleidoscope, we require three plane mirror. Okay. So you can see that this is a first plane, first mirror, second mirror, and this is a third mirror. Okay. In our eye cells can sense color. Okay. Our answer is cone. Which of the following is not a luminous object? Moon. Sun has their own light, candle has their own light, tube light has their own light, but moon do not have their own light. Rainbow is a natural phenomenon shows dispersion of light. Okay, this is a rainbow. In the retina of the eye, the area having no sensory cell is called blind spot. Answer B. Here present, blind spot. Light passing through a prism split into 7 colors. Split into how many colors? 7 colors. It's called dispersion of light. This is a white light and is split into 7 colors. Okay. Blue, orange, yellow, green. Sorry. This is the first is a red. 1 minute. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Okay. These are 7 colors. Light enters the eye through pupil. Okay, this is a pupil. Okay, light enter here. Okay, through pupil. If the angle of incidence of light falling on a plane is 30 degree, angle I is given here, 30 degree given here. What will be the angle of reflection? Okay, so angle of incident and angle of reflection always equal by law of reflection. Okay, if angle I is equal to 30 given here, so R will be 30 degree because both are equal. Okay. So our answer is C, 30. Our next question, the amount of light entering the eye is controlled by iris. Okay. Myopia can be corrected by using a concave lens. Okay, this is the structure of concave lens. And convex lens, it's look like this structure. And our eye is, okay, so our natural eye, okay, this is a convex lens. Okay, but to remove myopia we can use concave lens. Okay, the splitting of white light into its 7 constituent color is called dispersion of light. Okay, these are all 7 colors. The image formed by a camera and a simple microscope are respectively real and virtual. What is the angle of incidence of a ray if the reflected ray is at an angle of 90 degree to the incident ray? Reflected ray is an angle of 90 degree to incident ray. If this is our plane and this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray, we draw normal, and this normal perpendicular to this surface of this mirror. This is the angle of incident and this is the angle of reflection, and total angle given here, that is a 90 degree. Okay, so angle I plus angle R, this is I, is equal to given here 90 degree, and we already know that angle I is equal to angle R, both are equal. So where we put, okay, so when we put here angle I is equal to angle R, or we put angle R is equal to angle I, we will get the value of angle I. So this is our incident ray and this is a reflected ray. Total angle given here 90 degree. So angle I plus angle R is equal to 90 degree given here. Okay. This is the angle I and this is the angle R. And we already know that angle I is equal to angle R by law of reflection. So we put here angle R is equal to angle I. We put angle R is equal to angle I is equal to 90 degree. Finally 2I is equal to 90 degree, 45. So angle I is equal to 45. If angle I is equal to 45, then angle R is equal to also 45, because both are equal, I is equal to R. So here we have to find the value of angle of incidence. Okay, so angle of incidence is 45 degree. Name the type of mirror used as a back view mirror. Okay, it's the convex mirror. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding rods and cones in the human eye? So 4 options given below, and our answer is B. Cones are sensitive to bright light. Okay, and this is the image of eye. Okay, this is the called. Okay, which type of lens inside human eye? Convex lens present. These are the cornea, pupil. Okay, and okay, this is the iris, retina, where image formed. In case of reflection of light, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are angle I is equal to R. A smooth shining surface which rebounds the light back in same or in different direction is called mirror. Beam of light striking the reflecting surface is called incident rays. This is any plane mirror we take here, and the beam of light fall on this shining surface of this mirror, that all these lights are called incident rays. Okay.